teeter Rachel. In the 1990s, the U.S. Army began adding about 2,000 pounds of armor to this, its most commonly deployed tactical vehicle. Will, what's the Humvee? Humvee, you got it, 1200. This limited destroys worn-out red blood cells and features Rachel, what is this? A pirate. What is a buccaneer? Buccaneers are now $2,000 fish. From the Latin for I believe, it's one's system of beliefs or principles. Will, what's a tree? That takes you to 17,600. Still within reach. And Hayden, nice to see you. Here comes the final victory player. His historic
Ano yung ginagawa mo? Oh. Tapos na? Tapos na? Hindi.